Alright everyone, it's been a minute since I've done any unboxing on this channel, on this second channel, especially on this table. So we're going to go ahead and unbox these Joy-Cons, bro. Like, I don't know why I'm doing it this late. It's been years, but I needed a new pair to play Animal Crossing, so I figured I might as well buy these. Now, these are the green ones. These are like pretty cheap compared to the other colors, so that's why I bought these ones. If you want to pick up a pair, I'll leave a link to these in the description below on Amazon, so you can buy them from there and help support the channel at the same time. Now, apparently with these new ones, based off what I've been hearing, and this is my older switches plugged in, but these are my older Joy-Cons, and these ones had an issue where they were drifting all over the place. I dropped a tutorial on how to fix that, but that's a temporary fix, it's not a long-term thing, and that annoys me more than anything else in the world, so I have to get rid of that one. The other one still works. I gotta bust out these scissors, and now we get to bust these things open. I kind of dismantled the box, and that's really pretty much it that's in the inside, except for this thing, whatever this is. Oh, it's a little accessory, okay. So that's really it in the box. You know, it's crazy, you spend this much money, like these were like still like pretty expensive, like 70 bucks, 80 bucks almost. And like they still come in this like pretty cheap packaging, and even the Joy-Cons themselves, they don't really feel that expensive. Like they feel like fairly cheap. I don't know, maybe it's just me. But yeah, they give you this bubble wrap and stuff, nothing too crazy. Another one of these plastic things. And then the Joy-Cons are inside. So those are the Joy-Cons right there. As you can see, they're definitely a lot greener than I thought, and they don't even look that green over the camera. They're much greener in person. Obviously, compared to the blue one, I have to color grade all this, so it's going to look a lot better. But let's go ahead and connect these to this one. Now, I already have this blue one, so I don't know if I'm going to rock like the blue one with the green or the green. I might as well rock both the new ones, to be honest. So I'll go ahead and connect both of these in. Tight fit. All right, I feel much better. And there we go. Hopefully, they're both connected. Let's see. Yep, they're both connected now. Awesome. They connect automatically, which is really, really nice. As you guys can see, I was vibing with Animal Crossing, which is one of my favorite games right now, dude. It's so good. I've been showing you guys all those tricks and tips on this channel too. Hopefully you guys are enjoying them. Now I'll show you one thing with the older controller. So these ones, as you can see, you can't like push them out, right? You have to click this button in and then fully disconnect it this way. For these controllers, for some reason, and this goes to show how bad these controllers were, basically you were able to disconnect them just like that. And that should not be happening. We should not be having Joy-Cons like that. And, you know, these were actual Nintendo ones, but, you know, they messed up like that, which is crazy. As you can see, they connect, and they can just get taken off just like that. That scared me like crazy. So, as you can see, you can connect them just like this, just like so, and then that's that. So, that's a little bit of unboxing, a little bit of the Joy-Cons. As you can see, no drifting now, which is so much better. Like I said, if you guys want to purchase these colors or some other colors, I'll leave them linked down in the description below. But that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, leave them down in the comment section below. The like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel, all those links are linked down below, or my main channel. I'd really appreciate it if you guys could check it out. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.